I'm Cherry.
And I'm Rajeshwari.
And yes, we are back with a super fun challenge, that is the No Hands Cookie Challenge.
So this one is really simple. I'm going to put a cookie right here on Cherry's forehead, and obviously Cherry can't use her hands, so she has to use her facial expressions to bring down the cookie from her forehead to her mouth. Now obviously the catch is that it's going to fall because
Yeah, it's definitely gonna fall on the table.
because we're not pros. So you have to eat it from the table. You can't use your hands, so you have to use your mouth and actually eat it off the table.
So you keep the cookies on my forehead first, and then I'll keep the cookies on your forehead, and then whatever is left on the table, we'll see whoever finishes it first. Let's do this.
Okay, Cherry, are you excited?
Yeah, so I'm just gonna put my hands at the back. Oh my god, it's tickling. Oh shit, that was my first cookie.
Do you want to eat all of that in the end?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Second try, guys. I hope this one goes into your...
थोड़ा नीचे लगाना.
नहीं, it's forehead पे, ये नहीं. हाँ. This is really not easy. Yeah, you're supposed to use your tongue.
Oh no. I think you're putting it down. थोड़ा
Okay.
ऊपर. I think you should put it नीचे.
It's niche now. Chai, come on, you can do this. Your tongue is so tiny. Go on.
Stop making me laugh.
That's the whole point. I don't want you to win. Chai, this looks really funny right now. I don't know what she's doing.
I feel like a rat.
Not bad, but that's one, it didn't break, huh? You have to eat all of this, huh, by the way. You can't leave out the crumbs. Do you think you can reach till there?
I'll be like, I'm gonna lick it.
Okay, we'll see.
Are you ready?
Not really, but okay. Don't want to be covered in cookies. You're putting it so bad.
You also did that with me, so. It's blending with the foundation. Oh god. Why are you blinking?
Okay.
Shit, it did not break. Oh my
That's
god.
more difficult now.
No, it's not difficult. You can just do like.
And eat the whole thing?
Yeah. Second cookie, guys.
Definitely not gonna happen. Why are you putting it teda? I'm not getting.
It's like a bindi, na? A big bindi on her face.
How does anybody do this? I just want to know. Oh God, please come on. Uh-oh, it's in the eye. Oh no.
Look like she have got one more.
Oh God, again this didn't break. What is wrong?
So last one, guys.
Why are you putting it teda?
Acha, I'll put it.
Yeah. Oh shit.
It will happen, I feel. You can do it. Why are you pouting?
I'm not pouting.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Now it's on the other eye.
Come on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
But that was crazy.
Oh
dude.
shit.
Like, you could have done it.
Oh shit, it was stuck, like I couldn't have pulled it inside. So clearly I have a better situation than Cherry here. She has a lot more work to do. But I don't want to lick these crumbs.
Yeah, I have a lot of crumbs here, so better don't say that.
Okay,
Cool.
let's go.
Let's go.
I'm
One,
ready.
2, 3.
Go. Is that quite tough, huh? Oh no.
My flips are like coming out.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, this is really difficult.
Okay, this is gross.
Okay, I can't. I can't lick this for sure.
Are you sure?
Okay, I can't do this. I can't lick this. He's falling. Okay, I'm done.
I think I am done. It's pretty much clean.
But you're enjoying eating the biscuits a little too much.
Let's see now who has won this.
I think clearly you have won.
Let's just gather the tiny crumbs and make a small mountain and see.
Are you serious, Cherry? Okay. This is. I'm letting you win here, but okay.
Mine is this much.
Yeah.
I don't believe we did this.
3 biscuits and only this much is left. We really like it.
Yay! I won!
Presenting you the table licker. So we're gonna call her table licker from now on because she
Really?
loves licking the table.
That's so mean. Don't do that.
But Cherry, you should be proud of your skills. There's nothing to hide.
Clearly, these are not my skills, but okay.
Okay. Food eating is your skill.
Okay, I think I'm just going to do a happy dance. You should also come join me.
No, I don't want to join.
Are you sad?
No, a little bit, yeah. But I will make it up in the next challenge. Wait and watch, Cherry.
So this was our no hands cookie challenge, and I won this time.
Woohoo!
Yay! Also, guys, if you're still not following us on Perfecto Yum, do subscribe for some yummy and easy recipes. If you want us to do any other challenges, then comment down below. And for more such videos, subscribe to Perfecto.